Alrighty, folks. Good evening. We're live at 7:29, as you can see there, and we are running a mini for Adam's Power of the Force Biker Scout. As you can see there, I got 40 spots. It would appear that I'm going to copy and momentarily take over to random to find our winners. Looks like we have six winners. Third through six get one spot each. Second, first there. Okay, so we have our top six looking to get in on this sweet action. I'm going to paste the list in here. We have 40 entries, which is fantastic. That's how many we're supposed to have. I'm going to roll the dice as well to see how many rounds we're going to go. We got to get a 5 or better to play. As you know, we got a 3. Scandalous. So I got to roll them again till we got what we came for, which was an 8. Fantastic. We're rolling. Good luck, everybody. Down to business we go. Good luck, battlers. Here we go. Steve takes the top spot with number 5 as we're going to rattle through these. Anthony takes round 1. Round 2. Rich takes round 3. Mr. Ganzo takes round 4, this time with number 36. Steven again on top in round 5. Haggerty takes round 6 with number 19. And round 7, this time with number 22. Bringing us, at long last, to the last round. Good luck, everybody. Here we go. Our winners are Stephen, Robert, Anthony, David, Stephen again, and Rob Liparelli, Uncle Bobby. Congratulations, guys. Here's the verification code. Make things official for everybody. It's AFBDVR is our verification code. And after 8 rounds, here are our results one more time. Having said that, I am Dion there apparently. Nope, I'm done at 7:31 p.m. Eastern Time. There it is. There it is. One more time, there's the results. Congrats, guys. See you next time. Later.